Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. This is an unboxing and first impression video. I bought I'm telling you, I should stop buying these things. I bought a few items for the last few weeks, and hopefully for the next few days and few weeks I will unbox them and see how they smell, how they perform, and all these good things. Okay, so in this episode I have a fragrance that I don't know anything about. The only thing is a person who I know, they told me this one smells very good, so I just went and bought it because they recommended it basically. So without any further ado, let's do this. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe for future videos. This way you can support me to keep basically producing such videos, bring you bargains, bring you good value money fragrances that are on the radar, fragrances that have been forgotten or they're not in the hype anymore, and all these good things. So please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Thank you very much. So this one is called Pepe Jeans London, and this one is 100 ml EDT. So the box is quite pretty, as you can see. Okay, let's do this. Okay, very pretty box. Look at this, gorgeous. Okay, but the main thing is what is inside. Okay, let's go. Come on, Pepe Jeans. Okay. Wow, very cute bottle. Look at this. Very cute and very heavy bottle. Super heavy. Very heavy. So it says not to be taken, whatever. Pepe Jeans London, not to be taken. Okay, something like that. Okay, I think this one is called Pour Homme, isn't it? Pepe Jeans London. Okay, doesn't say anything else. Alright, the cap. Okay, the cap is metal and there's nothing special about it. Alright, as you can see, the Atomizer is quite a nice looking bottle. It's a blue color, very pretty. Okay, let's see the Atomizer. Here we go. Very good Atomizer, beautiful. Okay, so Pepe Jeans London, how does it smell? Wow, I can smell it, it's very strong. Okay, let's see. Wow, sweet. So it's first thing first you notice is sweetness. Sweet, fruity. Wow, that's very gorgeous, beautiful. The blend is very nice. It's not cheap at all. When it opens up like a very expensive perfume. Basically smooth. Is there's no harshness, there's no alcohol. Okay. Wow, very nice, very nice. So sweet, fruity. Is it cinnamon I'm smelling? A bit spicy, a little bit, not much. But very fruity and very sweet. So sweet and fruitiness is apparent. Okay. Wow, it reminds me of something very familiar. Very familiar. Oh God. Okay, I think this one is very close to Armani Stronger With You. You remember that one? Armani Stronger With You for men. This is very close to it, or at least this is what I can remember. Okay. Wow, very beautiful. So if you like sweet, if you like gourmand, it's a bit gourmand, it's a bit like fruit baskets, and it's like a syrupy fruit basket as well. Okay, but very beautiful. It's got a little bit of freshness in the beginning, but freshness gone very quickly, so it goes to this sweetness and the fruitiness, and it's like a pear note in there as well. It's a mixture of, it's like a fruit basket. Yes, so many fruits, but I can smell a little bit of pear, I can smell cinnamon, I can smell, wow, very nice, very beautiful. So guys, if you want much cheaper Armani Stronger With You for him, this is very close. I would say 80 to 90% close to it, because when I smell that, it reminds me of that one. But I remember that one very recently, about a week or two, I smelled it in the shop, so I can remember it quite well. But I'm not 100% sure, okay? So, but it is in that vein, okay? It's in that class. So it's very close to Armani Stronger With You. If you like that, you will like this. And for much cheaper price, at the moment you can buy this under £25 for 100 ml EDT. And as you can see, it's very, very gorgeous bottle. The presentation is very nice, beautiful. And the price is, you can't go wrong with the price, okay? I would say this one is all year round, because it's got sweetness and the freshness and the fruitiness in the same time. It's good all year round. But age, I would say this is ageless. It's quite youthful, but people like me and older can rock it as well, because it's got that beautiful fruit basket, sweetness, a little bit of spiciness. The spice is like a cinnamon, okay? So it's quite nice, it's quite gourmand. If you like gourmand, you like this. If you like Armani Stronger With You for him, you like this, okay? Thank you very much guys for watching. I see you in the next episode. If you have it, please tell us down there. I hope that was informative, and I'll see you later guys. Bye bye bye.